Yesterday, Ollie woke up early. He looked outside and smiled. The sun shined brightly, promising a wonderful day ahead. Ollie ate breakfast with his family. He drank milk and ate eggs. After breakfast, full of energy, Ollie eagerly went to the park. He met his friend Ake there. They were excited to play together. First, they rode their bikes. Ollie rode fast, while Ake rode slowly. Then they played hopscotch. Ollie hopped on one foot, and Ake laughed loudly. After that, they played with a ball. Ollie kicked it, and Ake caught it. They ran in the park, full of joy, and had so much fun. Later, they sat on the grass. They talked about school, sharing stories. Ollie told a funny story, and Ake laughed again, enjoying their time. In the afternoon, they felt hungry. They ate sandwiches and drank juice. Before they went home, they played on the swings. They swung high in the air. In the evening, Ollie went home. He felt tired but happy. He watched TV for a short time, then brushed his teeth. Finally, he went to bed, dreaming of his fun day. It was a truly beautiful day, filled with friendship and joy.